Are you looking for a freezer removal and disposal in Tampa, Florida? If you're like most people, you probably don't think much about your freezer until you open it up to spoiled food. When that happens, you're faced with rotten food and a decision. You try to repair it or replace it. The food definitely has to be disposed of. At Trash Wizard, we can remove and dispose of your broken freezer and the food. We specialize in removing all types of appliances, including freezers, from homes and businesses throughout the area. We understand that getting rid of a large appliance can be a hassle, which is why we offer a convenient and stress-free solution. Our team will come to your location and safely remove your freezer and any other appliances you may need to get rid of. We'll then transport it to a local facility where it will be properly disposed of. You can rest assured knowing that your old freezer is in good hands with us. If you're ready to get rid of your old freezer in Tampa, contact Trash Wizard Junk Removal Tampa today. We offer competitive rates and outstanding service that you can count on. Thanks for watching and have a great day.